Man, nothing does it. What I would die for, man. That's mine sometimes, but for real. Yes, only two people important on that I'm like, suddenly, like, for real. I'll die for those niggas, hey, let's go. Yeah, real nigga from the streets, Wakanda. And I love my two brothers. And I love my brother. And I love my brother. If you kill them, better kill me too. Because since I'ma find you, I'ma kill you. Yes, I would die for my dudes. Hey, if you kill them, better kill me too. Because make sure I'll find you too. Yes, I don't play about my brothers. Yes, I don't play about my brothers. Yes, every day their hearts needs a job in the crowd. Yes, Bana Hata, I see a John, attention message does John. Hey, women don't see eye to eye. John, yes, I love my brother. I'll kill for that nigga, it's true. Don't you mess, yes, be my older brother. Because nigga, yes, I'ma kill you. Nigga, yes, don't you mess with my father. Yes, don't you stay around my family. Shit, John, that shit makes me go harder. Yes, protective West, John, yes, we are my family. West, we are my brother. West, one more time, nigga, John, what's up? If you kill them, turn as a yes. I'm John, yes, even dead, because I'm never scared. If you kill my brother, I'm my father, I'ma find you too. I'ma fuck you up, and that's true. All my niggas, they know that I won't die for them. That shit is true. I won't fly, yes. Don't you mess with my father? Yes, I'm my brother. Yes, that's true. The truth doesn't matter to me. Blood, yes, is the only shit that matters. I'm learning quick, and I'm learning Zan. Yes, carry your stick, but yes, don't you mess.